Hello and welcome to AMT Specialist Cars here in Leeds, and thank you once again for your inquiry on this wonderful Range Rover Evoque that we have available. This particular model is the Evoque SE Tech, and it's finished in the Corris Grey, and it also has the Narvik black contrasting roof, which is a factory option, along with the spoiler also in the Narvik black, providing a lovely contrast against the grey. We also have on this particular model the 18-inch 5 split spoke alloy wheels, again very nice in keeping with the model, plus a total of £2,220 worth of factory fitted optional extras. Now this vehicle comes to you covered just 33,600 miles, and we also have a Land Rover main dealer service history to boot as well. Now in a moment we'll have a look at the interior and take you through some of the equipment on there. The condition of this vehicle is absolutely wonderful, in and out it certainly is. So as we head indoors, let's have a little check and see what we've got. I'd say the first thing to mention is what we have up top. We have the fixed panoramic roof with the electric blind, and as we can see into the back of the vehicle, it really does create an awful lot of light into the back of the car. And of course you can have the privacy by covering the electric blind over if needs be. We can also see the electric controls for driver and passenger, and a full black leather interior, which is also in absolutely wonderful condition. So we can see the mileage just here, covered 33,631. And if I have a little sit in the car, we have items such as the push start button, automatic headlights, rain sensitive wipers, auto dimming mirrors. We also have front and rear parking sensors on this particular model, along with Bluetooth multimedia, the touchscreen navigation just here. And what we have on the passenger seat is the online record of the service history with the vehicle. So this vehicle's been set on the long-term servicing, and of course during the COVID times there's a slight delay or a pause with some services, but it's always very nice to see a Land Rover online service history. So yes, the equipment levels, the condition, colour combination are all part of the reason why we have brought this vehicle into stock, and very proud to bring it to market. So I do hope you find the video informative. If there is anything we've missed, then please do let us know, and we'll be more than happy to assist. But we'll be in touch very shortly with the calculations and see how they unfold. So thank you once again, and we'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.